my god, last week, guess what? I got a flood from my laundry machine. So instead of calling a plumber and instead of getting desperate and instead of like bothering my landlord, I just decided to learn how to fix a laundry machine. And it's not that bad. That's why I'm sharing today with you on Education Monsters how to fix a laundry machine. So here's the beast. On the wall, you want to find where there's a rectangle, it looks like a panel, and that's where you want to install your washing machine. Once you have bought the two cables, red and blue, they hook up directly onto your washing machine. So obviously blue is for the cold water, so that's where you plug it, and red is for the hot water. And then you need to tighten it very, very nicely and very, very firm. And that's the problem I have, you used to leak from there. So don't hesitate to use a wrench in case you want more strength to tighten your pipes. So make sure that it doesn't leak and make sure that it's really, really tight and that righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Next, you also want to make sure that this big black pipe goes into the wall where it's supposed to go, because that's where you have all the waste and all the discharge. So make sure it's probably plugged in and make sure that it doesn't move. And some people choose to tape it directly onto that pipe on the wall so that it doesn't explode anywhere. Last but not least, make sure that you also level up your washing machine by using the legs underneath, because the floor is not always flat. So there you have it. It's not that bad. It's really easy like you saw in the video, and I hope that you can get empowered to fix your own laundry machine or to install it. Bye!